Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to create a Shareasale affiliate account without a website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to shareasale.com. Locate and click on the affiliate section. From there, select Sign Up. Choose Affiliate Sign Up to proceed. Provide your chosen username and create a password, ensuring it's secure. Confirm the password. Select your country to continue. Moving on to step 2 in the process. If you have a website, you can enter the URL. If not, you can skip this step for now. Fill in all the necessary details requested. Remember, you can always add additional websites later. Specify the language your website would be in. Progress to step 3 and input your email address. Enter your contact information accurately. Scroll through and select other relevant options such as incentive websites and domain ownership. Proceed to step 5 to review and input your payment information. Once done, click on Complete Sign Up. Agree to the terms and conditions before finalizing your registration by clicking on Complete Sign Up. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.